Assalamu alaikum. Nomad Consultant here. Nice sunny day in Milton Keynes. Try to give my Nomad Rides a shout out. It's been a while, I apologize. I got the white Phantom behind me, as you can see. Yeah, as you can hear, a lot of roads. People are going back to normality. I decided to do a quick video because I just realized I was busting my red. Here you got your Nomad here. Got my red Tim Hortons cappuccino up in the place. I'm gonna go, let's see if we can, let's just see, put that red shoe right there. I said to myself, since I'm color coordinating, let me at least do a quick video. Anyway guys, come next week, 29th of March, we can go visit people. That whole kind of stay at home will no longer apply, so I can't wait for that. Then you'll see some proper road trips. Until then guys, enjoy your week. And stay blessed. Stay blessed. I'm gonna hit my caffeine. Till next time, peace and love. Take care. Hey.